Hello everyone, it's me, Nardito Masangkay, and welcome to my vlogs! Ang paborito nating ice crumble is upgraded na into different flavors na talagang magugustuhan natin. Dito lang ito sa Scramblets Cafe, located at first floor NMB Building, Annex Samar Street, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Napakamura at very affordable ang mga price na mayroon sila dito. Nakakatuwa din yung mga toppings na inilagay nila sa ice crumble na talagang nagustuhan ko, guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa sweet, for sure, mag-e-enjoy kayo, including yung mga batang isasama ninyo. Kasi for the swak talaga sa kanila ito, guys. Simple, charming, napakalinis, and then fully air-conditioned ang store nila dito. Hindi rin kayo maiinip, guys, sa order ninyo dahil may mga activities kayo na pwede ninyong gawin kasama ng mga kaibigan ninyo o pamilya. Operating stores is Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and they also accept deliveries. Then, you say, welcome to...
Again.
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 Welcome to